What if your savings could do more than just sit in an account? What if they could grow at a competitive rate, help you plan for your financial goals, and even integrate seamlessly with your investments? That's the promise of Betterment Bank's high-yield savings account, also known as the Betterment Cash Reserve. But is it truly the best option for your money, or are there limitations you should consider? Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of Betterment Bank's high-yield savings account to help you decide if it's the right fit for your financial goals. Pros of Betterment Bank High-Yield Savings. Competitive APY. One of the most attractive features of the Betterment Cash Reserve is its annual percentage yield, APY, which currently stands at 4%. While it may not be the absolute highest rate in the market, it's still significantly above the national average for traditional savings accounts. This makes it a solid choice for anyone looking to grow their money faster with minimal effort. FDIC insurance up to $4 million. Unlike most banks that offer FDIC insurance up to $250,000 per depositor, Betterment goes above and beyond by partnering with multiple banks to provide FDIC insurance coverage of up to $4 million per account holder. This added layer of protection is especially appealing for those with larger cash reserves. No monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Betterment doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fees or impose minimum balance requirements on its cash reserve account. Whether you're depositing $10 or $10,000, you'll enjoy the same benefits without worrying about hidden costs. Daily compounding interest. Interest on your balance compounds daily and is paid out monthly. This means your money grows faster because you're earning interest not just on your initial deposit, but also on previously earned interest. Two-way sweep feature. If you also have a Betterment checking account, you can take advantage of the two-way sweep feature. This tool automatically moves excess funds from your checking account into your cash reserve to maximize your savings potential. It also works in reverse. If you overdraw from checking, funds are pulled from your cash reserve to cover the deficit. Savings buckets for goal setting. Betterment allows you to create customizable buckets within your cash reserve account to organize your savings by goal. Whether you're saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or a down payment on a house, these buckets make it easy to track progress and stay motivated. Seamless integration with investments. Betterment is primarily known as an investment platform, so if you already use it for investing, having a cash reserve account allows for seamless integration between your savings and investment goals. You can easily move money between accounts as needed. Unlimited withdrawals. Unlike many high-yield savings accounts that limit withdrawals to 6 per month, Betterment places no such restrictions on its cash reserve account. This flexibility ensures that your money is always accessible when you need it. User-friendly app and platform. The Betterment app is highly rated for its intuitive design and ease of use. With features like goal tracking, automated transfers, and real-time balance updates, managing your savings has never been easier. Cons of Betterment Bank High-Yield Savings. No physical branches. As an online-only platform, Betterment doesn't have any physical branches where you can handle transactions in person. If face-to-face banking is important to you, this could be a significant drawback. No cash deposit option. Betterment does not allow cash deposits into its accounts. If you frequently deal with cash and need a way to deposit it into your savings account, you'll need to rely on another bank for that service. Limited mobile check deposit access. While mobile check deposit is available, it's restricted to customers who meet certain criteria, such as being a customer for at least 30 days and having received $500 in direct deposits within the last month. Additionally, there's a daily limit of $1,500 for paper check deposits. Not always the highest APY. Although 4% APY is competitive, it's not always the highest rate available in today's market. If maximizing interest is your top priority, there are other banks offering slightly higher rates that may be worth considering. No ATM or debit card access. The cash reserve account does not come with an ATM or debit card for direct access to funds. To withdraw money, you'll need to transfer it to an external checking account first, a process that can take 1 or 2 business days depending on processing times. Limited product offerings. While Betterment excels in savings and investments, it doesn't offer traditional banking products like personal loans or credit cards under its platform. If you're looking for a full-service bank where all your financial needs can be met in one place, this could be a limitation. Paper check deposit limits. If you rely heavily on depositing checks into your savings account, keep in mind that Betterment imposes strict limits on paper check deposits, both